Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Plant of Arts, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple slime. So let's get started.
So let's start making it. So first of all, you need to take a box like this, then add some slime glue. If you don't have slime glue, you can use normal glue. Here I am using slime glue. You can also use normal glue. This much only needed. Then you can add glitter. I'm using this glitter for some. Then you need to mix. Okay. Next, you need to add some colors. I'm taking blue color. Okay. Add some. Okay, then you need to mix this. Okay. Then you need to add some activator. Add only 1 or 2 spoon of activator, okay? If you add too much activator, the slime will get so hard. I'm adding 1 more spoon. Mix it for some time. So sometimes the slime will stick on our hand. To prevent that, you need to add some activator on our hand. Close it. Then take the slime. Look, I made a slime. It's so soft. We can do like this. So friends, I bought all these things, this box, this activator and the slime glue and the glitters and the colors. I bought all this from a slime kit. If you don't have that slime kit, the link is in the description below. You can check it out and buy it. So I hope that everybody liked my video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and see you in the next video.